Hello, my name is Stan, and today I'm going to tell you about the solar system. So, you know already, right? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Now, we're going to start with the first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system, which is 800 degrees in the day and negative 800, maybe 850 to 860 degrees. So, do you know that if you can step on Mercury, but it will be very hot. So, do you know that there are some holes in it? Yeah, those are asteroids who just hits those and make those holes. And that's why they have the holes. Mercury looks really like our moon, but it's just something different is its size. We will move to our second planet. It is Venus, the second smallest planet in the solar system, and the hottest and the brightest star planet in the solar system, which scientists believe that we can see Venus at the day because it's very bright that we can see it. So now here is a tricky question. Is Mercury or Venus? Which is hotter? Some people say it's Mercury, but no. The answer is yes. It is Venus. Well, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, but a bit hard surface of rock. When the sunlight, it can get some sunlight, but it will reflect some. And when some sunlight just bump on Mercury's surface, hardly they will just go back like this. They go back. But Venus, and of one reason that it so Venus' atmosphere is much thinner than Earth, so it will get more sunlight, which is very hot. And you don't dare step on it, it will melt in 5 seconds. So scientists believe that Venus and Earth are twins because they look the same sizes. Not the same size, but Venus looks almost as big as Earth, which some people don't know which one is bigger. So that two are twins. Now we move to our third planet, Earth. This planet is where we live. And I forgot something. Mercury only takes 88 days to rotate around the sun, but Earth takes a year to rotate around the sun. For example, you're just born out of your mother's belly, and after the Earth spins around the sun, you got 1 year old. 1 year old. When the Earth would finish another round, you got 2 years old. Another 3, 4, and it continues. So, when after the Earth rotates one round, everyone gets 1 year old. Yep. So with me, I know that the Earth has just rotated 7 times of my age. So back to your Earth.
In your life.
So Earth have moon too. That's our moon. And a moon rotates the Earth, and the Earth rotates the sun
around
the sun, which means the moon will go this around the sun. So, if you are the moon, you will get very busy with that. But if you get one more, like this is sun, this is Earth, this is Earth moon, and this is moons. Which, if you are the moon, you will be super dizzy, even busier than the moon. So, on the moon, it will be negative 270 degrees, which there are even footprints there. Astronauts sometimes step on it and make footprints. When the wind inside the space blows, the footprints don't even clear. Now, disappear. The next planet is Mars. You know, I am Mars. Yes, Mars. Some people believe that Mars is all red, but not. Mars is also blue. Ice water. For millenniums ago, when Earth haven't got any water, Mars got water. But now, Mars lost all its water and atmosphere, which is very sad. But Mars still have frozen water. Scientists sent robots there to search is there anything there or human there.
Any signs of living things?
Living thing there. Which the answer is no. The robot only found ice, frozen ice water. Which, how many moons does Mars have? This is a tricky one. But I want 2 types of questions. How many moons does Mars have at first? How many moons does Mars have now? Tricky, right? The answer of the second question is 2. And the answer of the first question is 1. How is it possible? So this is Mars, right? This is its moon. And now it moon break into half. Which now there are 2 moons. So Mars is very cold there, and you aren't able to step on it because there's no oxygen. So now that's all I can tell you about rock exploring. And now it's the gas giants. Jupiter, the biggest, the oldest, the fastest spinning, and the I don't remember. That's all I can do. When do you know that Earth is very happy even now and even long time ago. You have twins, Venus. Sometimes they got a brother, Jupiter. But why? Jupiter protect Earth from the asteroids, which now on Jupiter there are just holes. But you aren't able to stand on Jupiter. It's just gas. Now when you see in a telescope, is you see a big ball with a big brown ball with a giant spot at the middle, and it's so beautiful. That's not solid. That's just gas. Those gas just make Jupiter beautiful like that. What about the top? Well, it's just a storm of dust, which for a long time ago is 40,000 kilometers meters long, and now it's only 16,000 kilometers long, which is now as Earth size. Jupiter is all hovering. I don't know why. But here we come the next planet, Saturn. Saturn looks odd in the solar system because it rings. What formed the ring? Here's one hint. Saturn is the big planet. The bigger the planet is, the more it can pull. It can pull in. So when any rocks, dust, or just piece of moons or break and come near to Saturn, Saturn will just take those pieces and it become a part of the ring, and it continue making a ring. There are 7 rings, but I don't know. Maybe 7 rings. What does that mean? Maybe the latest of rings. I think. The thing is, Saturn is also gas. Wanna ride on it ring? No. It ring is also just dust. It's just gas. And now you will meet Uranus. It is very big, which is beautiful too. It's very cold and icy. It's also is sort of a gas giant and also an ice giant. Because when you look at a telescope, ooh, what's that giant ball of ice? And that's Uranus. Uranus is different. It rotates. The rest of the planet rotate like this. But Uranus is different. It rotates like this. Well, and it rings too. its rings are also like this. And it also rotates by itself. Neptune. This is the farthest and windiest, coldest planet in the solar system. But of course, Neptune is smaller than Uranus. It's a little bit. It's
Slightly smaller than.
called an ice giant. But you have to call it a super ice giant. Not an ice giant because Uranus is an ice giant, but it's icy and windy, not so cold. But for Neptune, super windy and a lot of ice, which we can call super ice giant. And it just from Earth to Neptune is about 34 billion kilometers. And now, some dwarf planets. The 5 dwarf planets are just the 4. The biggest one is Pluto, which a long time ago, scientists say, oh, Pluto's a planet. But in 2006, scientists they said it's not a planet because of its ring of rotation. The planet's rings are circle, but Pluto's are oval. And another is Pluto is too small to a planet because it is smaller than Earth, moons, asteroids, more. So it can't be a planet with a small size. Next time, make. Well, I don't know really much about this, but Jupiter, an odd dwarf planet, which is an oval planet. Interesting, another spot, it has no core. So what is this? Is this a rock? No cores. Is it a dwarf planet or a planet? No cores means not anything, just a rock. By scientists says maybe it's not a dwarf planet. And series are very around the shape. All planets are round. This one is very round. And it's super round. Dwarf planet. As well, you know, Ceres, Mercury, Pluto,
Sao nói nhỏ thôi Sam.
both too small to be planets. So I've talked to you about the solar system and some dwarf planets. Thank you for listening. Good night.